Welcome back to Pivoting in Faith. So as you see, we're picking up in our fall cleanup, going into, eventually winter. There's 3 trees that need wood chips, so we're going to try to wood chip those, and you will continue to see us harvest and, clean up the garden. Yes, you're still changing clothes because I think we're a few days later, well into what I call the favorite month, November. So anywho, come along with us. Off to our second tree, which is a peach tree. This is earlier this year. You saw us trying to companion plant and put some strawberries there, but we had to cut it down because it's overgrown. So that's right, I have no scissors. This is our red. Oh, I got a red Haven peach from Stark Bros. Oh, we got. right, back to the regular schedule program. We're gonna pull up all this corn, plant some garlic here, get our beans, 2 different types of beans here. First time growing these beans. So we're gonna root them up. We got some companion plants looking very nice. Those coming up easy, but the big ones are in the ground.
They have taken roots. One at a time.
These are going for the grinder. But no more.
That's brown in the house.
Yep, get dry in the house. Oh, this one is already dry.
Yay.
Something fell. There's one more somewhere.
This is a different bean. As you see, these are...
This one is not bad. That's the last one. Dry the seeds and plant for next year.
Didn't realize the camera cut off because it's talking about an update. So you didn't see the last little bit that I finished harvesting. So corn that we're going to save for seeds, sweet corn, these beans.
Even this. Gather up the fragments, let nothing be lost.
So we're going to see which is for seeds, which I can keep to make soup or some bean stew with. So thanks for watching.